Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale performance reviews with Lattice, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Lattice account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Performance tab. Click on Performance Reviews from the drop-down menu. Select Create New Review to start a new performance review cycle. Fill in the details for the review, including the title and time frame. Next, choose the participants involved in this review process. You can add individuals, teams, or entire departments as needed. Now, set the attributes or competencies that will be evaluated. It's helpful to use clear and concise language to define these criteria. After that, decide if you want to include self-assessments. This can provide valuable insights from the employees themselves. You may also enable peer reviews for a 360-degree feedback approach. Now, configure the timeline for the review. Set deadlines for completion and reminders to keep everyone on track. Once you have filled out all sections, review the details. Make any necessary adjustments before finalizing the setup. When everything looks good, click Launch Review. Notify participants about the review via email or internal messaging. After the reviews are submitted, return to the Performance tab. You can monitor progress and see who has completed their reviews. Once the reviews are complete, analyze the feedback collected. Use Lattice's reporting tools to visualize trends and insights. Consolidate feedback for individual sessions or team summaries. Finally, share the results with relevant stakeholders. Schedule follow-up conversations based on the feedback gathered. This will help close the loop and foster continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.